Are you beginner in trading and want to make money from the market? Then watch the video till the end. Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Some of you will be watching my video first time. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So today in this video, we are going to see how to trade with the candlesticks or how to look into the candlesticks. That is the pure price action. Okay, so in the stock trading, the high and low refer to the maximum and minimum prices in the given time period. Open and close are the prices at which a stock began and ended trading in the same period. Volume is the total amount of trading activity. Adjusted values factors incorporate actions such as dividends and stock splits. This is the bullish and bearish candlestick pattern. So bullish candlestick pattern, how it is formed, we can see that. Okay, so this is green in color. It can be any color, the color doesn't matter. So the opening price of the green candle will be at the bottom and the close will be at the top. Say for example, if the stock is opening, the opening price is like 30 rupees and close will be at 40 rupees and high is at 50, that is the wick. Okay, and here the lower wick is lower than the open price, that is it can be 10 rupees. So the opening price is at the bottom and closing at high. That is how the bullish candlestick pattern is formed. Now we can see how the bearish candle is formed. So this is the wick of the bearish candle and this is the lower wick. Now we can see how the bearish candlestick pattern is formed. Okay, so here this is the high, that is the wick. Okay, and this is a low of this candle, that is a lower wick. So here we can say that the price is opened here, that is price opened at 100 rupees and price made a low of 70 rupees and closed at 80 rupees. Okay, and price can made a high of like 110 rupees. So this is how the bearish candlestick pattern is formed. So if you understand the difference between open, high, close and low, it will be easy for us to enter into the trade. Now we are going to see how can we trade only with the candlestick pattern and we are not going to use any indicator. This is the pure price action trading. So till now we have seen what is the bullish and the bearish candlestick pattern. So this is the Nifty 15 minutes time frame. So you can look into any time frame as I told you before. So here this is the first 15 minutes candle of Nifty and you can see this is the second candle, that is a 9:30 candle, and when you see clearly this second candle gave a close, that is the body of the candle gave a close below the first 15 minutes candle. So here this is the trending candle, this is called the trending candle. So we can look for a short entry below the low of this red candle. Okay, and we can see that how much points we got in this particular trade. Alright, so if we are entering below this candle and Nifty made a low of 16,961 and we got like 100 plus points in this particular trade. Okay, we can see the next day example. So this is the first 15 minutes candle. So this is the second candle. So when you see the second candle, this second candle body, that is the close of this particular candle, is not below the first candle. So this is not the trending candle. We can say this 9:30 candle and 9:45 candle is the trending candle, because when you compare the 9:30 and the 9:45 candle, this 9:45 candle, that is the third candle of Nifty, gave a close below the 9:30 candle. That is the close of the candle is below the low of this candle. So we can enter into the short below this red candle. Okay, so we can enter short below this. And after that, we can see that we got nice downtrend. That is, we got nice move below this candle. Okay, and stop loss can be this. So this is not particularly about the stop loss. This is not like how to enter into the trade. I am teaching you like how can we look into the candlestick patterns. That is, if the low and the close of the candles is broken, like how can we enter into the trade, or how can we identify the trending candlestick pattern and how can we identify the normal candlestick pattern. Okay, now we can look into the Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame trade, that is for intraday. When you look into the 17th April, this is the first 5 minutes candle, and when you see the second candle, that is the green candle. So that green candle is inside the first 5 minutes candle, so that is not the trending candle. and also the 925 candle also didn't give close below the previous candle. So till here we don't have any trade. So when you see the 925 candle and the 930 candle, 935 candle also didn't give close below the 925 candle. So when you see the 940 candle, that is like a doji candle. So this is the 940 candle is the gravestone doji. So it is like a sign of the selling is going to happen. That is for the selling trade. Okay, and when you see the 945 candle, this 945 candle gave close below the previous candle, that is 940 candles low. So one can enter into the short trade below this red candle. Okay, so after that we can see that Bank Nifty gave down move. Okay, 42,044 till, and Bank Nifty made a low of 41,800 points. So we got a nice PE trade. And on the same day, when you look into the 10 o'clock candle and 10-5 candle. So this is the 10 o'clock candle, this is the 10-5 candle. So this 10-5 candle gave close above the previous red candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this candle. Okay. So this is not for entering into the trade. This is like how can we identify the different types of candles. That is how to identify the trending candle and how to identify the normal candle. So if we enter into the long trade above this green candle, we got nice call trade above this green candle. So one can enter into the long trade when this high of the 10-5 candle is taken away. One can enter into the long trade. We can enter into the trade in the 10-10 candle, and the Bank Nifty was at 41,918, and after that Bank Nifty made a high of 42,190. Okay. So next we can see one example in the Reliance. Time frame I have selected as 5 minutes. So here when you see, this is the first 5 minutes candle of Reliance, and when you see the next red candle, that candle closed below, that is the close of the candle is below the low of the first 5 minutes candle. So we can enter into the short below the low of the red candle, but we didn't get any candle below this. So we will not enter into the short trade. So when you see this green candle, that is 925 candle, gave close above the high of this red candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Okay, and on that day Reliance gave nice up move. Okay, we can see how much points we got in that particular trade, that is in the long trade. Okay, we got like 35 points in this particular long trade in Reliance. Next, we can see one example from the HDFC Bank. The time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, so when you look into the first 5 minutes candle, we can see that the high and the low of this candle is not broken, that is not taken away. So when you look into the 940 candle, we can see the 935 candles high is broken and gave a close above the 935 candle. So we can put a horizontal ray above the 940 candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle, means this is a trending candle. Okay, so after that we got nice up move after that. Okay, so this is how we have to identify the candles, that is with the two candles, that is first candle and the second candle, we have to identify is that the trending candle or is that the normal candle. After that, how to enter into that particular trade. So basically if you get this patterns of candles at the support and resistance, that patterns will be very trending, that is after that you will get very nice up move and the down move. Now I will explain the same in the HDFC Bank. The time frame is daily time frame. Okay, so when you look into this candle we got at the support level because this is at the bottom, right? So okay, so this is the 7th March 2022. So after that we got one green candle. This green candle didn't close above the high of the previous day candle. So this is not the trending candle. So when you look into this green candle, that is 9th March. Okay, so this green candle gave close above the high of this green candle, that is the close of the candle should be above this previous candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. So this is how we have to identify the trending candle. So after that we can see we can put the horizontal ray here. So the high of this green candle is 1374. Okay, and after that HDFC Bank made a high of 1518, that is 1518. So In the daily time frame, if you are identifying the patterns, the move will be very much. That is, we'll get good move after that. So intraday, we can go for 5 and 15 minutes. All right. Now we can see one example in the Infosys. The time frame I have selected is 1 hour. So this is the first 1 hour candle, that is a green candle, and when you see the second candle, this second green candle also gave a close above the first candle. So above this green candle, one can enter into the long trade. Alright. So this green candle gave the confirmation for to enter into the long trade. Okay. So if you enter into the long trade, we got nice up move and we got our target also. Okay, so this is how we have to identify the candlestick patterns, that is with the two candles, how to identify the trending candle and the normal candle, and how to enter into the long and the short trade accordingly. Now we can see one example in the daily time frame. Okay, so this is the first day candle, that is the Thursday 5th Jan 23. Alright, so when you see the second day candle, that candle gave a close below the previous candle, that is the close of this candle is below the previous day candle. So one can enter into the short trade below this. So we will put the horizontal ray. So after that, we can see that we got nice down move after that. Alright, again when you see here, this is the red candle and this green candle closes above the high of this red candle. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle. So I will put the horizontal ray here above the green candle. So one can enter into the long trade above that green candle, and after that we got nice up move in the Bajaj Finance. Okay, so we can use this pattern in any time frame. Okay, the thing is like we have to identify this particular types of patterns. What is a trending candle? This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.